Yes, some more of that.
What else is in there? No, look, keep looking. What else is there? What's this? What is that?
Ooh.
That's good. Okay. What else is there? More candy. Alright. Keep going. Keep going.
There's so much more in here, Harrison.
A new binky? What's he gonna do when he finds the other one?
What else did you find?
In your basket.
Look. What else is in here? Look at this.
His very own car key.
Oh. So you don't push Mommy's alarm anymore.
Yeah, good luck with that.
What else is in here, Harrison?
Don't care.
Okay, look. This. Okay, show it in the toy later.
Alright, cool. Let me see.
Look what else. Look what else is in here.
What else is in there?
We got this. That just stripes.
Goldfish. You want fish?
He saw these for sure. He was not pleased that we would not give him any.
Alright, that's it for now.
Okay, what else is in here? Look, there's more treats. What else is in there? Gotta keep digging.
No.
Look. What's this? What are these? Oh, you like those. What is that? Not that.
I'll hold that for you.
You get sunglasses? Nope, not today. Got bathtub markers. Yeah.
Oh, we had bath last night.
Ooh. Okay, I'll hold it. You want to keep grabbing stuff? Stop. What is this? Popcorn? Good job. A new fork. Another binky. What is that? Popcorn. Popcorn. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't put a battery in it. Sorry, but it's a fan. I'm gonna hold it. What else is in there? Yeah, look at this. Oops. Spoon and knife. I'm going to put a daddy later with this. A ring pop. Sweet beets and sweet potato beets. You want this?
You must be hungry.
Are you ready to eat? Are you happy with all this stuff? Do you want this? Say please.